Hi, this is your host Dipali on Intellect Digest, and let's get started with another episode. In this video, I will review the U Unicorn smartphone. I'll start with the design of the phone first. The Unicorn features a unibody metal design with chamfered edges. It has a sleek design with flat back that is curved towards the edges for comfortable grip. It looks very premium while holding in hand and doesn't feel very heavy to hold. At the front, there is a 5.5-inch Full HD display. Above the display, there is a front-facing camera along with earpiece, LED notification, and some sensors. There are 3 navigation buttons which are a part of the display. Below the display, there is a fingerprint sensor placed inside a metal ring. On the left edge, there is a hybrid dual SIM card tray, which means that you can either put 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and 1 micro SD card at the same time on this phone. On the right edge, you will find volume rockers and power button. 3.5mm audio jack along with secondary mic is placed on the top edge. On the bottom edge, there is primary microphone along with micro USB charging port and speaker grill. The rear of the phone has brushed metal finish and houses a 13-megapixel primary camera along with dual LED flash and U branding. On aesthetics front, it is a very solid and well-built phone with stunning all-metal design. Sound from the speaker is just average and not the best that you would get in this price range. The fingerprint sensor is fast and accurate, and during our testing it recognized fingerprints around 8 to 9 times out of 10. The fingerprint sensor also works as a home button and multitasking button. Now display. On the front there is a 5.5-inch Full HD display with 1080p resolution, 400 ppi pixel density and 2.5D glass. The display is bright and sharp, and viewing angles and sunlight legibility are also decent. It fares reasonably well in both indoors and outdoors. The video viewing experience on this phone is a delight, and here is a quick video sample. Coming to the camera department, it sports a 13-megapixel rear camera with dual LED flash. There is also a 5-megapixel front-facing camera. The camera app comes with face beauty mode and scene mode and also allows users to set exposure and white balance. Voice capture, gesture shot and smile shot features are also on board. It also comes with True Bright dual-core ISP engine that gives enhanced color resolution. The rear camera takes impressive shots with natural colors and good detailing and clarity. Shots taken in both well-light and low-light conditions are impressive. The front camera, however, sometimes struggles a bit with detailing and exposure. We also notice some noise in some of the shots taken with the front camera. Videos taken with this phone are adequate. Moving on to hardware and performance, the Unicorn is powered by a 64-bit 2GHz octa-core MediaTek Helio P10 processor paired with 4GB of RAM. It comes with 32GB of internal memory, which can be further expanded using microSD card. On testing it on Antutu benchmarks, we got score of around 34,000 points. We also played a few games on this phone, and it was capable of playing moderate games with ease. And during our testing, it did not get too hot and only a bit of warmth could be felt towards the top. Overall performance of the phone is moderate. On software front, it runs Android 5.1 Lollipop out of the box. There is negligible bloatware on the phone and the interface is clean and smooth. It comes preloaded with Gaana app and a software service called Around You that allows users to conveniently explore and access services ranging from trains, flights, hotels and more without downloading any third-party app. The Around services are more enhanced now than before and offer new features such as wallet. We tested the phone for USB OTG and found out that it supports USB OTG. Now battery. It is backed up by an enormous 4000 mAh battery. On moderate usage, the battery easily lasts a day with some charge left at the end of the day. Connectivity options include 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and GPS. The U Unicorn has got the features, the software, the hardware and even a camera that works perfectly for its price. It is a very nice package of premium build, power and features. If you want to buy one for yourself, then we are leaving direct links in the description section below. Please like, share and comment on this video and do subscribe for more such videos. This is your host Dipali signing off. Thanks for watching and have a great day.